Let's understand the day-wise planner or the course curriculum for our practical data engineering classes. A small short session. In this data engineering sessions, it's all about ETL, data warehouse, big data analytics, security and storage activities. To make it more simple and straightforward, our practical data engineering course involves Azure Fundamentals, storage components, ETL components, streaming components, and other Azure components like Logic Apps, Purview, and CI/CD pipelines. Let's step into our day-wise course roster, day-wise course curriculum. As per our website, the course curriculum, the practical involves step-by-step activities on MS SQL concepts. You may skip this module if you're aware of SQL. In our MS SQL module, the basement, the prerequisite, it's all about SQL basics. Of course, installations first, introduction, installation, and SQL basics. Then comes data imports, constraints, joins, view, function, procedure, concepts, triggers, detailed database architecture, planning for very large databases, cursors, common table expressions, linked servers, merge, upset, rank, grouping, cubes, self joins, and Excel analytics with a case study. After this basement program, which is completely optional for the folks who are already aware of SQL, the main concept data engineering. In this particular data engineering course, we have three parts. First part, data factory Synapse. We learn ETL and data warehousing concepts, Synapse concept, incremental loads, data flow transformation, Synapse analytics, parameters, SCD, CEC, CDC, slowly changing dimension and change data capture, ELT process, and 14 different optimization techniques. Part 2 will be learning about data lake storage, stream analytics, IOT hubs, migrations, event hubs, storage optimizations, key vaults, encryptions, alerts, and pricing activities, including Azure functions. Part 3 is about Databricks, Spark, and PySpark. We'll be learning big data operations, Spark clusters, Python ETL, widgets, Delta tables, notebooks, and complete Databricks architecture with medallion architecture, bronze, silver, gold layers, and Delta live tables with end-to-end project work. Complete project certification guidance part of our classes. Module 3, Power BI, optional for preferable for experienced profiles, which is optional. Module 1, SQL. Module 2, core data engineering, optional. Preferred module 3, Power BI, from introduction and basic report design activities, grouping, hierarchies, drill down, visual filters, sync, big data access, visualizations, 50 examples on Power Query, 50 examples on Power BI Cloud, and 50 examples on DAX with real-time project and AI co-pilot activities. So our data engineering course involves total of 3 different modules. The second module is our actual important takeaway. First module, the prerequisite, and third module, an optional recommended add-on. Any further questions or clarifications, you can reach me on this number. Glad to assist you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.